We are the premier cloud video editing solution. We are a business-to-business white-labeled solution provider, which means you can take our technology and use it to provide browser-based and white-labeled, customized online video editing solution to your end users or your own staff as a company. And this means we integrate into the workflow. So if you have a content management system which you use to store your media, you can bring those media into the browser-based editor using our system, create and edit videos, and push them back to publishing for an online video platform. There are two things which we have done to make this easy, because since one is we use the power of the cloud, all the generation of videos, the rendering happens in the backend in the server. Same case holds for on-premise installations. All the rendering happens in the backend, so the browser interface is kept very light. We have preview or working copies of every media item that is loaded to the browser, which are very, very light. And all the modifications that the user makes on the interface are prepared into one final XML file, which is then sent back to the server. So we keep the exchange between the browser and the backend to a minimum. In fact, here in the trade show itself, with the Wi-Fi or the LAN we had, I could do all my demos. So if you have a standard broadband, that'll work quite fine. We are a premier partner for Brightcove, so we can send videos back to the Brightcove platform, just like so many other video platforms. So one case in point is the cloudvideoeditor.com/Brightcove, which is the service which we provide exclusively for Brightcove customers. So the customers of Brightcove who have a video cloud account can sign themselves up for the service at cloudvideoeditor.com, configure their account so that the videos that they have already put on Brightcove can come to this browser-based editing service. You can bring in your own media from YouTube, from Flickr, Picasa, Jamendo for music, or even upload new content from your computer. And once you have it all in the browser-based editing interface, the learning curve is very small. It's easy to use, and not because I'm from Mixmoov, but we have positive feedback concerning this, because you can add easily transitions, text, audio tracks, you can apply effects, and you can cut videos to the accuracy of a frame today. You can even use templates to create video content automatically. Once all this is done, you can have a preview, and if you're happy with it, publish it directly back to the Brightcove Video Cloud. That's one case in point. Apart from this, we provide on-premise solutions also. For example, there are companies, enterprises who want their employees to generate content, and whether it be for support, training, or intranet sharing behind the firewall. So many companies who want to have it on-premise can benefit from our on-premise solutions, which is hosted by themselves. Most of our partners integrate our technology to provide it to their end users. So I can name some of the big names in video platform industry, including Kaltura, Longtail Video, who are the makers of the JW player. And there is also Twistage, there is The Platform. We announced the partnership last month in Streaming Media East. And a particular example, when you talk about the end users, is with Longtail Video, we power a website or a service called JW Player Editor. You can access it at jwplayereditor.com. And this solution is direct to consumer. Anyone can sign up for a free account and then upgrade to a bigger one. And you can create your own videos and save them or upload them to different destinations. We are based in the south of France, well, southwest to be exact, Toulouse. And we have an office in Paris as well, and one in San Francisco. So we are a small company and a privately held one. So we have plans to increase our presence in the US, because most of the business we do today is with the US, as you see us here in most of the trade shows. And we have a very exciting roadmap for cloud video editing, which is being prepared in our offices in France.